Hello viewers. Thanks for viewing another video by expatinterview.com. Today, we're going to review two very helpful, money-saving tips. The first is I'm going to show you how to use ATMs in Mexico without the risk of getting charged exuberant fees. Then I'm going to review with you a bank that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. From what I can tell, they exchange the US dollar with no exchange fees too. So, let's get started. Here's how to transact at an HSBC ATM in Mexico.
Okay, withdrawing at the ATM, cash withdrawal, my checking account. I've already entered my PIN. I've got to do another amount. Because my bank wants me to $400. Yes, I want a receipt. Okay, now, no donate. Okay. Can't print a receipt. Do you want to continue? Yes. Accept this fee. This fee, say no. It acts like it's not going to give you your money, but it will. That's it.
Great. I hope that was of help to you. It can be a little nerve-wracking using the ATM in a foreign country and very costly if you don't know what you're doing. Now, before you decide to spend a longer period of time in Mexico, I suggest finding a bank that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees or exchange fees. I have found that with Capital One. You can open an account with them right online and transfer money from your existing bank into the Capital One account. I have also found them to have some of the best rates on their savings accounts. So, that does it for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time.